With my ex. Within the first week of meeting me, he wanted to pay for my college tuition. Within the second week of meeting me, he said he wanted to fuck me up the ass like his dead wife used to love the most. Within the third week of meeting me, he unexpectedly pulled down his pants. He said to show me how long his pubic hair was. Within the fourth week of meeting me, he dominated every minute of my time, and I could no longer see my friends or family when I pleased or unless he was around. Within the fifth week of meeting me, he declared his love for me daily, multiple times a day, despite the fact that I never said it back or intended to. Within the sixth week of meeting me, he was planning vacations for us, of all the places he'd already gone to with his dead wife, with no regard for where I wanted to go. It only went on and on. If I broke up, he stalked me viciously. If I didn't answer his calls, he psycho-dialed over and over and over until I did. Just walk away. Don't have regrets in life like I did. If it's too fast and he or she doesn't respect your discomfort with it, they are so not worth it. Nothing they can say or do will change that.